You are by far the most evil thing I've encountered.
Quack, quack.
No! You can't have my soul! Look, just get in here.
Quack, quack.
Keep your crummy soul.
Gunter!
Quack.
Huh? No one sucks the life from my penguins except me! You darest encroach upon my domain! And for that I shall... Oh! I've soiled my tunic, completely by choice.
Man! He's growing huge! I'm gonna take him down.
Finn, you're like an ant to him.
Well, this ant's about to get in his pants.
What?
You know! Give up those souls, Marceline's dad!
Huh? Oh, Marceline.